Hi, I'm Kelly Hart, Executive Director for Allied Arts of Whatcom County, and welcome to the Holiday Festival of the Arts. The Holiday Festival of the Arts is a community tradition. Most people tend to come more than once because there's just so much to see. Over 100 local vendors are in this 10,000 square foot facility that is absolutely beautiful. We have the youth art activities and performances going on throughout the weekend, and remember that the artists are always restocking their booths, and so there's always something new and different coming in. This event takes a lot of planning to happen each year. We spend over $14,000 in advertising, and we have over 2,500 artists and volunteers, staff that all work on it to make it happen. Now, move-in time is an exciting time. It's usually a quick, speedy move-in with 7 trucks worth of equipment, decorations, that sort of thing. There's lots of things that take place. We have extensive security training and cashier training. And then we get the fun part of getting to decorate the tree, and we bring in local artists to paint the windows. That's the fun part of the setup. This wouldn't be possible without the help of a lot of people. All the staff and volunteers, board members, and of course the vendors and artists. We want to thank you all for all your community support in making this 42nd year a community holiday tradition.